Greetings and welcome back to the mat. This is Yoga with Taylor. Today's practice will be focused on balance. So meet me in a standing posture. Feet are touching, lengthening up and out through the spine. Hands to heart center. We'll activate the feet by first inhaling up onto the tippy toes, nice and high. Exhale, press back into your heels, lift your toes. Inhale forward. Take the arms up and out, belly button back. There's no rush. Exhale, send it back to chair pose. Sinking your hips and lifting your toes. Feeling the 4 points of your feet. We'll inhale, rise. Exhale, back down to your mat. We're going to shift our weight over to our left foot, grounding down through those 4 points in the feet. Hands to the hips. We'll bend the right knee. Take a moment. Find a place where you can fix your focus. We're going to open up our knee to the right. And we're going to create circles with our knee inhaling forward, exhaling back. Inhale, exhale. Just stay with the breath. Stay in your experience. And we'll change direction, sending it back. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Coming back to center. We'll exhale down. Shifting the weight over to the right. We'll lift the left. Opening up. We'll do our circles, inhaling forward, exhaling back. Noticing all the sensations as we find our balance. One more. And we'll send it back. Moving with the breath. Last one. And bringing the knee back forward. Exhale down. Shake it out, let it go. You may notice completely different sensations on each side, and that's completely normal. We're going to take our circles just a little bit further. Shifting your weight over to your left foot. Let's point our right toes, and we'll flex, and we'll point, moving with your breath, showing the ankle a little love. Meet me back in point. We're going to do our circles here. You're going to inhale, open up. Exhale. Pull it through back to point. 2 more rounds. Inhale, open. Exhale. Last one. Take your time, stay present. Exhale, pull it through. Opposite direction, pressing out through your heel. Bend at the knees, send the leg behind you. Open up. Bring it around. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Send it back. Open up. Exhale down. We'll switch it out. Root down with the right. Left toes forward. Point and flex. Coming back to point. We'll inhale, open. Exhale, pull it through. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Exhale. Pressing through your heel. Pressing through your heel. We'll send it behind us. Two more. Follow your breath. Last one. And release it all the way down. Shake it out. Let it go. We'll find one more balancing posture. Coming into tree pose. Shift your weight to the left, finding kickstand, low tree, or high tree, as long as you're not pressing against your knee here. Bring your hands to heart center. Lengthen up and out. And then expanding your tree. Nice and wide, opening through the heart, reaching out. Inhale, rise, take the arms up. Reaching out towards the sun, rooted down like that tree. Let's see if we can find a little wind in our branches. Swaying from side to side. We know that true balance happens in the midst of flowing with life. We'll come back to center. Exhale, let it go. We'll find tree on the right side. Whatever is best for your practice. Hands to heart center. And we'll expand. And we'll grow. And we'll flow. Moving with the breath. One more time. Back to center. And we'll exhale down. Hands back to center, closing the eyes. Remembering that balance is a practice. And just a few minutes each day goes a long way on and off the mat. May your day continue in ease and flow. Love and light. Namaste. Thank you all.